Do you think that these altcoins can rise back up again, or those projects will never gonna recover and they will never gonna reach their all-time highs ever again? How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Not financial advice like always, and in this video we're gonna discuss about some of the altcoins that form an exactly same market structure. So watch this video till the end. We're going to analyze some of those altcoins that are sitting right now on my watch list. Of course, I'm not here to talk about those projects, what they do. I'm not here to read the whole white paper, but we're gonna take a look from the trading perspective. What's the situation? Technical analysis at the current moment. Because while the Bitcoin with Ethereum is doing absolutely nothing and the market is neutral right now, there's a chance for us to sit back and without any distractions start analyzing some altcoins. Why? Because there is a probability that the altcoin season is around the corner. Let's just take a look. First of all, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance, still ripping and going towards the upside, and right now facing a massive resistance zone. And I believe that we can see in the near future, in upcoming days or weeks, a drawdown on the Bitcoin dominance. I don't know how to name it. I don't know how to read correctly those charts by looking at the percentage. But if we're gonna see a movement to the downside, we can start seeing a relief on altcoins. So I'm looking forward, and I'm looking forward to see a movement to the downside. Of course, the money flow could also, there's a probability for the money flow to go to the downside, but we'll see. The Bitcoin dominance is a very important indicator at this point if we want to see a relief on altcoins and to see that proper altcoin season. Second of all, let's just take a look at the altcoin season index. Right now, it is a Bitcoin season according to the this altcoin season index, and we're right now at the absolutely bottom. Of course, there is still a chance to see a lower price on those altcoins, but well, we're gonna just bear with me. We're gonna take a look at the market structure, and we're gonna take a look at what's the probability and everything. We're gonna start looking for those potential breakouts, and from here I would love to see boom, just like this, reverse the whole index and to reach that peak again like we did in the previous cycle. So that would be a wonderful scenario to see that altcoin season. So keep an eye on this altcoin season index. So now let's go straight to the charts. Of course, just quick information that I will analyze some altcoins with an interesting market structure with a probability to see a pump after the breakout. You heard me right. I'm waiting for clean breakout. So yeah, let's go straight to the charts and let's start with Toncoin. So what is up with the Toncoin at the current moment? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm super bullish on Toncoin and Notcoin in general because I'm bullish everything what Telegram is doing about the whole ecosystem, about that right now you can, like I mentioned before, you can right now create a crypto wallet on the Telegram. In general, I'm bullish on Toncoin and Notcoin, and I don't give a damn thing. If the price is gonna go lower, I'm still gonna accumulate more, I'm gonna buy more, and I'm still rooting for this whole ecosystem with my own money. So do your goddamn research. But what do I see right now? This descending trend line was broken and the price went all the way to the upside. Right now, a clean breakout, but we'll see. There's a probability for us to see a retest around this key level at around 6.3 because this is where the price is respected the most, and to see a movement to the upside to retest those all-time highest levels and a break through this resistance zone and move to the upside. This is the probability to see this scenario, but like I mentioned before, if the price is gonna go to the even lower, I'm still gonna accumulate more. But right now, still the whole market structure is forming higher lows and higher lows at this point. Of course, we're looking everything on the daily time frame because all the juices are on the daily time frame. So yeah, in general, I'm bullish on Toncoin. On Notcoin, let's jump straight into Notcoin charts. Notcoin is also looking pretty bullish right now. Of course, descending trend line that was broken to the upside. Right now, price is consolidating, and I'm waiting for the clean breakout to the upside because we form on the daily time frame this massive falling wedge pattern, which is bullish when it breaks. Well, of course, still waiting for the breakout. Of course, the price can always go lower, but we're waiting for the clean breakout. As same as on Toncoin, if the price is gonna go lower, I'm gonna still buy and accumulate some more because, well, I'm investing in what I believe. So of course the money flow is still, it seems that like it's trying to rise back up, but yeah, we'll see. So keep an eye on this falling wedge pattern. After the breakout, after the clean breakout, full send to the upside. And these pivot points would be my, if you're trading with leverage, not holding, but those pivot points would be my target, I mean, take profit targets. Next up, Polkadot, DOT, looking at this descending trend line as well. This descending trend line acts as a resistance, and the probability for us to start retesting again like we did in the previous ones, this descending trend line is also a possible scenario. But right now, what do I see? What else do I see? I mean, I can see a clean demand zone. Of course, the price was respected at this demand zone. And if this would be our, like, all right, so low, low, and this is like our swing low as well, it is a higher low comparing with this together with the wick. I'm doing everything with wicks. Let's just say it's a lower low, and the price right now, the whole market structure became a little bit more bullish. This is the place where the price is respected the most. On the daily time frame, the money flow is still trying to rise back up, and boom, the price moves to the upside. Boom, clean breakout through this key level at around at around 5.5, 5.6 dollars per coin. And after the clean breakout, maybe a retest in some kind of gap if we're gonna see a impulsive movement. Boom, breakout, moving to the upside. So that is a possible bullish scenario on DOT. Of course, the price can always go lower, but if we're bulls, I mean, I'm personally trying to be bullish on it, and I'm waiting for some kind of market structure in general to see, like, gonna start creating higher lows. Maybe we're gonna start entering our long buy positions at some kind of demand zones, and then movement to the upside. After clean breakout, yeah, there's a probability for us to start, I don't know, retest. If this is our previous high, yeah, the golden zone, this is where the price is respected the most. I mean, beautiful head and shoulders pattern. That, well, not technically beautiful, but this is a neckline. There's a chance for us also to retest this zone as well, and I would love to see a breakout through this zone. And so yeah, there would be a higher chance to see a movement to the upside if we're gonna beat this, let's just say, a neckline at around at around 5.6, 5.7. if we're gonna like start drawing the full box where the price is respected the most. Of course, let me just I just say supply, right? All right, moving next, QNT, the one coin that I was super bullish on it because it has a limited supply. So yeah, again, descending trend line that acts as a resistance at this point, multiple touches, let's just say like 3-4. Right now, price is trying to bounce back up from this demand zone because this is where we see a previous bounce, boom, to the upside. And right now, all I can say that there's a probability for us to start retesting because we are at the very bottom. Start retesting this, let's just say, resistance key level at around 887.3. Yeah, right now the price was $51 per coin. At all-time highs it is around like 426. So there's a long distance if you will want to reach all-time highs. So like always, comment down below, do you believe that the quant will reach their all-time highs again? Because I mean, the project in general is good, has a limited supply and whatever. I mean, you can do your own research. So I'm still like looking to be and see some kind of bullish movement to retest this key zone, key level that acts as a resistance. Boom, a breakout, and then breakout to the upside like this. That's would be a perfect and beautiful scenario for us, for people who are bullish with this project. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's jump into the next one. OP, Optimism, which is like right now form this, I want to say, a beautiful falling wedge pattern. right now, price is rebounding from this demand zone, like trying to create higher lows. We'll see how long it will last, this whole small rally on the lower time frame. Of course, right now we are on a daily time frame. I see a movement to the upside on the money flow, and of course, yeah, the positions from this bottom is yeah, it is what it is. I mean, there's a chance for us to see a breakout through this, I mean, falling wedge pattern, but we have to beat this resistance. So keep an eye on this resistance level at around let's just say 1.7 and 1.9 ish, and a clean breakout would be a wonderful scenario through this resistance, and then retest. I believe this is from our swing highs to our swing lows. This, let's just say, this is our golden zone, that there's a probability for us to retest around let's just see, what is a 2.9 and 3.45 ish, something like that, to retest this zone. Now if we want to be like bulls again, right? So I'm waiting for the clean breakout, and I mean, a lot of those altcoins are forming exactly same thing like on OP. And all I want to mention, you guys, that I will never gonna wait till those altcoins, if I'm gonna invest or I'm gonna open a small buy long position with the with the leverage. I'm not gonna wait until they hit their all-time highs again. I'm securing my profits all the way, to the upside, and probably gonna close my full position in the middle of the journey between, from the bottom till the all-time highs. Somewhere in the middle, I'm definitely closing position, because there is still that theory that some of those altcoins, they reach all-time highs. The next bull rally, they reach, I don't know, somewhere in the middle. And right now, I'm still gonna close in the middle of that middle. So I'm not gonna wait for those altcoins to reach their all-time high territories, or start exploring those new all-time high territories. Still, profits are profits. I'm still gonna close my positions if there will be like this scenario, and I don't give a damn thing. There will be more trades, there'll be more opportunities, so don't be greedy, and always have your own, your whole plan for the upcoming altcoin season, or for the whole upcoming bull rally. So on OP, I'm waiting for the clean breakout. Would be wonderful, like I mentioned before, to see a break through this resistance zone. Why is it the resistance zone? Because this is where the price is respected the most. At once, this was our demand zone from the impulsive movement to the upside. Respected this after this massive drawdown. Boom, respected, broke down through this, retested. This is right now our resistance, and would be wonderful to see a break through this resistance. Well, I don't want to see a rejection, but who knows? Maybe we're gonna fake out everyone and we're gonna lose a lot of money. Who knows? All right, so let's go to the next one. Let's just talk about coins like Oneinch, that has a massive community on Twitter, and where the attention goes, money flows. Where it's a big community, that there's a probability to see insane rallies to the upside. On the Kraken, if not, I'm not looking at the right charts, but whatever, on the Kraken exchange trading view charts, all I can see on the Oneinch, that if I'm pronouncing it correctly, all I can see that we're at absolutely bottom right now. Let me just make that more brighter, not the full line. We're at absolutely bottom, and I bought this token because I believe that the community can push the price towards the upside. So this is not like the same pattern that a lot of those coins are forming, but yeah, we're on the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, or whatever. We're forming this again descending trend line that acts as a resistance. Of course, small key level right here. Of course, would be wonderful to see a breakout and movement to the upside, but we're still inside this range. So if we're gonna break through this range, and we're gonna break from the previous highs, and we're gonna change the whole market structure into a massive bullish, so there's a chance for us to see a movement to the upside, because the distance, if we're gonna try to, I don't know, if this is our high and this is our low, 7,000% on this token. And again, I'm not gonna wait until those all-time highs. I'm probably, if for those people who are buying here, don't be greedy. I mean, start closing your profits when we're gonna start retesting the top of this accumulation consolidation phase, because of course on the weekly time frame. I'm for the bigger investments for the long term. I'm always looking on the daily and the weekly time frames. Right now, of course, the money flow flipped from the red to a positive again, to a white, and there's like nothing changed actually. So it's very interesting. What's the supply? What's the everything I need to do? Maybe more analysis, but based on the market structure, like I mentioned before, we were analyzing on the market structure. Now, what do I see? That there's a probability, all right, lower lows. Right now, we form a higher low, and right now there is a probability for us to start retesting. That would be, this supply would be your first target point. Boom, breakout, and retest this, I don't know, the top of this channel at around 0.7. From the bottom, that would be like 255%. So it's like more than enough to double your money. Probability, no goddamn predictions. Of course, if we're gonna trust this wick and to get it towards swing lows, yeah, our golden zone would be on the weekly time frame. Of course, this is not that accurate, but still, like, trying to indicate something. All right, let me just quickly delete that. On the lower time frame, 1 inch, or however you're gonna call it. Here's your descending trend line that we have to keep our eyes on. Simple market structure: supply, demand, support, resistance, and of course trend lines. This is right now this coins, tokens, whatever project's mission right now. Boom, start moving towards the upside, retest and beat this resistance. Boom, breakout, move to the upside. Yeah, it's like forming also some kind of falling wedge pattern or descending channel. That is, there is a probability for us to break it through the upside. So yeah, keep an eye on this setup on the daily or on the weekly time frame, because yeah, we're analyzing the majority of those altcoins. Even here, look, beautiful, not that beautiful, but this neckline from this potential head and shoulders patterns. Boom, breakdown. Right now, I believe that this resistance zone that has to be retested, it works like a magnet right now, because every single time we are retesting those, because double tap like that, I mean double tapping to like make sure this is our resistance. And yeah, let's go straight to the next one. Chainlink, one of the most popular altcoins. Let's just take a look what is up with the Chainlink. I haven't seen the Chainlink for a while right now. All I can see right now is, yeah, from this impulse movement, yeah, like a neckline, resistance, our previous support right now. That was our previous support, boom. This is where the price respected the most. Look, also head and shoulder patterns that was play out perfectly, boom. Movement to the downside. But right now, what do I see? Of course, I don't like those head and shoulder patterns or inverse head and shoulder patterns. I hate it, but whatever. Right now, all I can see that I would say that there's a probability for us to retest the zone, but I see that we already did with this wick. There's two scenarios right now that after retesting this resistance zone, all we can see that there's a probability for us to start retesting again this demand zone, or the whole altcoin season and the whole altcoin industry will be so strong that we'll see a breakout through this resistance zone and then movement to the upside. Of course, I'm always navigating based on the trend lines. All right, the one trend line right here. Let me just downtrend. Let me just quickly delete those. We're analyzing and doing everything together. Right now, from here to here. Yeah, that would be beautifully connected, because multiple touches here, multiple touches here. And right now, yeah, Chainlink can do like this. Boom, break through this descending trend line that acts as a resistance, and then start retesting. And if we're gonna break out through this trend line, yeah, the probability to see massive movement to the upside, it is a possible scenario. I'm just like showing you all the possible scenarios for us to start being bulls again. All right, from the bottom to the yes, right falling wedge pattern is also has been formed on the Chainlink. That is, of course, together with that wick, the volatility and everything. I'm still trying to connect the previous candle that was closed to connect with. Well, you get me. So yeah, the falling wedge pattern is looking decent, looks decent. So keep an eye on this setup, because like, yeah, why not? Because this is every single time we touch this, let's just say descending support. Yeah, descending support. Every single time we trying to, like, we respect this level. The price is like, yeah, accumulates and like bounces back up from this level. So yeah, there's a chance for us to see even the lower price. But who knows? After the breakout through this descending trend line that acts as a resistance, falling wedge pattern, breakout, boom. So that would be my scenario. Keep an eye on this falling wedge pattern on Chainlink. There's nothing I could tell you. Even the money flow tries to rise back up a little bit. So we'll see how long it, yeah, the potential bottom was play out perfectly. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Like, falling wedge pattern, keep an eye on this on the daily time frame. Keep an eye on this Chainlink, the whole setup. Let's go to the next one. Mana, Decentraland. Look what's going on right now. All I can see that the money flow is like inverse head and shoulder pattern or whatever, but still tries to rise back up. All right. And right now what I see, a potential divergence from the previous high, like connecting all the dots, descending trend line that acts as a resistance. Every single time we see a breakout, we can always see a insane movements to the upside. So what else do I see? I mean, right now that was our, yeah, previous support. That is right now our resistance. Beautiful on the daily time frame. This is our resistance right now. This is what we have to beat. I mean, Mana, Decentraland has to beat it. Let's just say supply, red one. And there's a probability for us to start retesting this, yeah, this key zone. Breakout. Boom. Movement to the upside. All those pivot points would be your, I don't know, take profit targets or whatever. These are like previous supply zones. Of course, the whole markets, we have to, on the bigger time frame, we have to break through this swing highs, our previous swing highs, so the whole market structure would be changed into a bullish. So this is my scenario on Mana, Decentraland token. Keep an eye on this. This is actually pretty beautiful, like really beautiful descending trend line. Multiple touches. The respect is here. Respect. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. You can see in my Telegram group that every single time we're like drawing proper trend line that has multiple touches after the breakout on the crypto. I mean, especially in the crypto market, it works perfectly. It works perfectly. Well, for some people, they probably don't know how to draw it or how to connect those trend lines, but I mean, guys, all the signals are in my Telegram channel. Those link down below. Go check it out. But yeah, let's go to the next one. What's the next stop? Keva looks the same as Mana, descending trend line. That is right now, yeah, respected. And what else do I see? I see that we form some kind of descending channel. But yeah, don't get me wrong, it's bearish. It is bearish. That there's a probability right now. We of course retesting this mid-range. After breakout, we can see movement to the downside. Again, this would be beautifully connected with our previous supply zone from that impulsive movement to the downside. But if we're gonna see a breakout through this descending channel and retest, I don't know, whatever at the moment the market will form us, there's a chance for us to see a movement to the upside. Not that perfect, but still, I'm always like looking, keeping my eyes on those falling wedge patterns, descending channels, and after the breakout we can start building, or even here, if we're gonna start on the macro, we're gonna start creating a higher lows, we can start building our long positions. So keep an eye on this. Well, I'm just sharing what I'm doing. Keep an eye if you want on this setup on Keva. I don't know how to properly announce it, but whatever, it is what it is. I mean, look at this level at around let's just, oh my god, I need to delete because it looks nasty. Just bear with me. I mean, at around probably this level. Keep an eye on 0.335, 32, something like that ish. After the breakout, boom, we can retest. We have to beat this supply zone, I believe so. After the breakout, the whole market structure will be changed, and then retest after, I don't know, some kind of fair value gap. Maybe we're gonna form, I don't know, the future. We'll see what the candle and everything was gonna be formed. So after the breakout to the upside, I mean, this level keys on the weekly time frame, so don't mind at that. So yeah, there's a probability for us to see a movement to the upside. We're not analyzing everything what could be, I mean, the whole bull market or whatever what we are analyzing. And we are analyzing if we want to be bulls for a probability to get some sweet gains from our swing longs. So we're always analyzing because if we're gonna break this resistance to the upside through this resistance, so yeah, all those pivot points, just keep securing your profits. Keep securing your profits. Don't stick to this coin to I don't know, long term. This is my advice. I'm never sticking to those coins for long term, or even if it's like Bitcoin or Ethereum maybe, but none of those altcoins. And even the money flow is trying to rise back up. I mean, looking at the past on the money flow, I mean, you can compare these technical analysis to every single one of those coins. I mean, just of course keep watching till the end. We're gonna analyze more coins because maybe this is enough. Massive bleeding phase. All right, rally, a little bit of blood, rally. Now again, we're bleeding, and there's a chance for us to see a positive money flow. I mean, like flip to the upside into a white or to a green again. It depends on the color that you're choosing in your designs. So yeah, let's go straight to the next one. Alright, let's get some fun by analyzing SHEBA and Dogecoin. Let's get into something way more fun. I mean, and those, well, let's just say it's a meme coin or not. Let's just comment down below. SHEBA and Dogecoins are the meme coins or not. So right now we see that SHEBA is inside this bearish descending channel. Of course, waiting for a retest at the top of this channel. The money flow is trying to rise back up. Also, by connecting our previous lower highs, it seems that it formed some kind of falling wedge pattern. So right now, SHEBA's, I mean, the long position with a small risk and high reward ratio is there right now. But I mean, for SHEBA, its mission is to retest this descending trend line that acts as a support, the whole falling wedge pattern, and after breakout, movement to the upside and retest the top of this channel at around, I don't know, at around 0.000 whatever, like this is a huge number. So the retest at the top of this channel, it is a possible scenario, and who knows, maybe after the breakout we see an insane rally to the upside, and that during that altcoin season. So we'll see. Dogecoin formed an exact same pattern right now. Beautiful descending channel, bearish of course. Right now there's a chance for us to start retesting. Of course, we found some demand, a demand zone, small risk reward ratio trade is there, long one. We'll see how it goes, but there's a chance for us to start retesting this key level at around on the lower time frame 0.11367 or 0. I mean, let's just take a look at the number. I mean, this is what the price is respected the most. A retest at around this level at 0.11 cents per coin, it is a possible scenario. Maybe a fake out. Through this, we won't gonna respect this that much. We're gonna see a movement to the downside, we'll see, but a retest at around this level, it is a possible scenario. At the top of this channel, retest, bam bam, tap to the top of this channel. But yeah, after the breakout to the upside, who knows, during that altcoin season, that could be a massive rally to the upside if we're gonna see a clean breakout. All right, NTRN. I know zero knowledge. I have nothing about this token. I mean, do your goddamn research. But what do I see? There's a beautiful falling wedge pattern that could be played out. I mean, we found this resistance, I mean, the like we can say this is our like support zone or whatever after this wick, yeah, resistance zone, but still consolidates inside this range and waiting. I'm gonna be honest, I'm just waiting for a clean breakout to push the price towards the upside. Of course, it has to be the previous supply, the previous support that is right now our resistance at around 50 cents per coin, 57 cents per coin. So that would be wonderful to retest this level. Of course, a breakout through this resistance zone, it is a possible scenario. Push the price towards the upside, because I mean, of course, you guys making fun of me that I'm saying all the time is beautiful, beautiful, but it is beautiful. Look at, we have multiple touches at this descending support, 4 touches. That is more than enough. Beautiful resistance descending trend line, that is also multiple touches. The more touches we have, the more confirmation and more confident I am that after the breakout there's a chance for us to see a movement to the upside together with that altcoin season. But we'll see. To be honest, I'm waiting for the clean breakout on this one. Don't mind at this long buy position. I'm waiting for a clean breakout, so keep an eye on this I don't know, the whole setup, and let's jump straight to the next one. But of course, before, the money flow is also rising to the upside. I mean, and when the money flow is rising towards the upside and the price is like to the downside, that creates divergence, and after the breakout we can see boom, a movement to the upside. So that's the name of the game. Probabilities, no predictions, just like analyzing and speculating. But yeah, this one has a beautiful NTRN USDT has a very beautiful market structure. I mean, we're just right now bearish, the price going towards the downside, but after the breakout, yeah, we can expect some sweet gains. But who knows, the price can be, we can expect even the lower price on this token, or you can call it a coin, and the next support would be at around this level. Even we retested right now together with this wick. Of course, why? Because that was when we experienced this impulsive movement to the upside. So yeah, keep an eye on this setup if you want. I'm keeping my eyes. Whatever I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna post in my Telegram group, so links down below, go join, it's absolutely free. And let's jump straight into the next one. AVAX, our beautiful AVAX right now, is trying to fight and beat this resistance zone at around 23.05 and 25.03. And for those who took this, I don't know, long position when I posted in my Telegram group, of course, act fast, because everything is going to be deleted in 24 hours. So this is your choice. If you want to be involved in these projects and be like, you have to show every single day like I do, because if you're going to miss it, all the posts will be deleted in 24 hours. I'm showing every single time, every single day, so I would like to see this from your side, that you will show every single day as well as me. I want to have like loyal companions in this journey right now, right? Also, on AVAX, let's get back to it. I mean, descending trend line, respected. The 2 trend lines form falling wedge pattern. Price is respected here, here, and here. I mean, right now, yeah, after this demand zone touching, boom, movement to the upside. Now fighting to the fighting this resistance gap, let's just say that. And after this clean breakout, an insane movement to the upside. I mean, I have hope for this upcoming bull rally altcoin season from the AVAX to see, I don't know, insane, because yeah, the project and token, the whole gaming industry is good, I believe so. So I'm still the gaming godfather, or whatever you're gonna call the AVAX coin, so I'm still bullish on AVAX. Of course, for the long-term perspective, I haven't been accumulating that much of the AVAX. I have a small position, I don't know, maybe at around, let me just quickly delete that, at around, yeah, here 16, something like that. But yeah, I'm still, it's almost breaking even, but whatever, still holding diamond hands forever. Not forever, of course. Money flow is still trying to rise to the upside. And yeah, so keep an eye on this setup, because after this breakout through this resistance, I mean, we can expect a rally to the upside. I mean, nothing new, guys. A lot of those coins are forming an exactly same thing, same setup, a lot of those coins. And if I'm not gonna mention in this video a lot of the coins that you liked, or the projects in general, you can like try to, I don't know, analyze by using the same market structure on those projects. So let's jump straight into the next one and let's just, I don't know, take a screenshot. I posted this on my Telegram channel. I'm gonna repeat that. So you always, when you're seeing my trading idea, my whole trading setup, what I'm looking for, just simply download it or share with a friend. I don't know, it's a public and free group. So yeah, keep an eye on the AVAX, beautiful setup, waiting for this resistance to be like beat it. And yeah, let's jump in. Let's just straight into the next one. Kusama KSM coin. I told you guys to start in my private community. To start, the first position was open at around here. So congrats for those who took it. The same as AVAX form, falling wedge pattern right now, trying to beat this resistance. And the second position after the clean breakout, like I gave you the call, of course. This is not for everyone. This is for my private community. The money flows tries to rise up. Beautiful divergence if we're gonna compare the price that is going down and the money flow is rising, going up. So beautiful divergence that could play out, and waiting right now for the clean breakout through this key resistance level. Nothing new, but beautiful market structure. Very beautiful market structure because there's a lot of places where the price is respected. The respect is here. Multiple touches right here that form this falling wedge pattern that is bullish when it breaks. So waiting for a clean breakout. So yeah, nothing new. Beautiful market structure. Again, falling wedge pattern, waiting for the clean breakout. The money flow is rising up. Who knows? Maybe we're gonna... who knows? Maybe we won't gonna see a clean breakout. Maybe we're gonna experience a fake out. Boom, movement to the downside. No one knows that. Only speculating. But according to the past, and by using this knowledge to compare this market structure, I mean, yeah, waiting for the breakout, bullish scenario. I mean, the whole bullish scenario, it is a possible scenario. The probability is there that after the breakout we could see sweet gains if we're gonna like enter this position, or maybe we're gonna see movement to the downside, retest. We can start like increasing our position if you believe in these type of setups, if you believe in these market structures or whatever, or maybe you holding the KSM coin. I'm holding it. And during the Christmas, after the breakout. If you remember my call in my trading group, I made over 100%. I haven't been closing the whole position, but still experiencing a loss right now. Took some gains from that position, but right now I'm experiencing from those leftovers. Yeah, maybe a small loss, but still waiting for a breakout. Boom, push the price towards the upside. So keep an eye on this channel. I mean, this is one of those setups that are the most beautiful in my eye. I mean, in my experience, this is like a beautiful setup. Perfect falling wedge pattern. Right, let's go into the next one. All right, this is gonna be an interesting one. So bear with me. This is gonna be an interesting one because sometimes I like to play risky. And this one, Exa Infinity, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly, but you can SLP coin that belongs to some kind of sweet love potion or whatever, some kind of gaming coin that form this massive ascending triangle pattern. But there's a probability for us. Of course, I bought here. This is my green line, what I bought. I'm not gonna open my, I don't know, Coinbase, the Coinbase Bybit account. I'm not gonna do that. But the money flow is rising up insanely. I mean, like, well, of course, we can see a drawdown again. But all I can see, a beautiful ascending triangle pattern. Of course, not that perfect. Let's just move this trend line, this resistance up here. This is where the price was respected the most, and I mean the risk reward ratio is there. I mean, I'm risking small, I'm not invested a lot, but to this previous highs, if the information on the trading view is correctly, I mean 13,000%. What? So if that would play out, I mean, I'm not gonna hold till here. Probably gonna start securing my gains when we're gonna see a breakout through this descending trend line. Boom, secure gains. I'm gonna maybe leave like 20% of my position. Maybe we're gonna experience a breakout through this ascending triangle pattern. Boom, movement to the upside. Who knows? I'm securing all the way to the upside because the percentage movements are insane here. So I'm risking my own money. I'm not. I mean, nothing is here. Nothing in here is a financial advice. So yeah, do your own goddamn research. I mean, SLP, this love potion token, I don't know what to do in the future, but we'll see. But I mean, this coin is at absolutely bottom. And of course, in my private community, I shared a lot of those. I'm not going to discuss about all of those coins, but I shared a lot of those coins who are at that potential bottoms, absolutely bottoms. Even right now here, according to the market structure, we'll see how low it could go. But here, this gap, after this impulsive movement, I see that we found a demand zone right here. So we'll see. This is insane, actually. Nice market structure, beautiful, but we'll see. But at this point, at this current moment, it looks good, it looks beautiful, respected on the, of course, on the weekly time frame, not on the daily time frame, because I need more information, like zoom out everything. Look how the money flow is rising up. So divergence, I mean, the whole money flow, descending respected trend line, ascending triangle pattern. So of course, fundamental analysis, of course, it has a massive community on Twitter. So yeah, we'll see. Only the time could tell us. So let's jump in straight. I mean, let's go to the next one. TRX, Tron. Also one of the most popular crypto projects out there. This is my previous market structure. Let's jump into a daily time frame, zoom out. Yeah, all of those patterns play out, everything play out. If you remember, if you're that loyal companion who's like following me, I don't know, from day one, if you remember this market structure, higher lows, boom, breakout through this, retested this support that was our resistance, boom. Ascending triangle pattern that was broken to the upside, boom. But right now, of course, I have to jump into a weekly time frame because we are experiencing, I mean, let me just quickly delete everything, just bear with me. I know it's annoying, just bear with me, just bear with me. Right now, all I can see that we are retesting all-time highs. Binance, 1 weekly time frame, Tron TRX. So, of course, together with the wicks on the weekly time frame, we are breaking through this, let's just say, resistance level, the key level, and of course waiting for this, I don't know, for this previous high to be broken, the whole market structure. Of course, this is a weekly time frame, it's not like a forex, but still speculating like that. So if we're gonna break this previous high, again, break of structure, boom, push the price towards the upside. But it's risky for me. For me, it's like risky. I'm just analyzing. I'm not opening another position, but I'm just like, it is at all-time highs. So what could I do? So I jump into a FOMO. So I don't know how price could go like far from here. So I'm like staying out of it, but maybe I would like open another long position if we're gonna get rejected. Retest this ascending trend line that acts as a support, respect it, and like open a small risk, let's just say open this type of, I don't know, long buy position with a small risk, high reward. I mean, like we'll see, but because this pattern is saying that the train is leaving, we are forming something bullish, so jump in. So I would jump in at this level. I'm not gonna like jump after the breakout. Who knows? There will be more trades, so I'm not getting attached to one long. Some guy. I'm not getting into a FOMO in general. So yeah, keep an eye on the setup. On Tron, I would like opening a buy long position with leverage, of course, not spot, because spot to, I don't know, to start accumulating from here, that would be, I don't want to say stupid, because we don't know how far we can go with this coin, with the whole project. So, and the price is, yeah, 0.16. So yeah, I would like open another like long position if we're gonna retest this ascending trend line. So keep an eye on this setup, ascending triangle pattern. I want to see a retest at around this zone. So yeah, of course, money flow, everything is like insane. Tron is shredding. I mean, it's booming. But yeah, let's jump into a next one. ADA, our beautiful ADA Cardano. What is up with ADA? all I can see, of course, I'm gonna share it in my group, that descending trend line that is respected. Of course, this is a weekly time frame because we're jumping from the Tron weekly time frame. Right now we're looking at the ADA. Look at the money flow. I mean, the whole thing, if you're gonna use RSI or whatever, the divergence is there. All I can see is that the prior boom from this lows, right now we're higher lows, and the price, I mean, the whole market, the whole money flow is rising up. So this is a very interesting situation on ADA. And if I'm gonna zoom in on a daily time frame, again, where's my boom from here? Rising, I mean falling, sorry for that, falling wedge pattern. Of course, I can see key level. Don't make, I mean, stop saying that this is a retail trader thing, but no, it's not. I mean, the simple market structure works in crypto because I'm gonna tell my reasons in the next video, right? Let's just say that. So simple market structure, resistance, because this is where the price was respected the most. All I can see, there's a probability for us to see a breakout to the upside. Boom, push the price towards the upside here. This is my scenario on the daily time frame. So I don't know, let that sink in, take a screenshot, make a pause in this video. I don't care. Of course, the money flow is, yeah, rising up. So we'll see how beautiful and how powerful we'll go with the money flow, how money flow will like flow into the market. Because if the altcoin season is there, I'm gonna repeat that, where attention goes, money flows. So yeah, keep an eye on this setup on Cardano. Of course, the price can always go lower, but the Cardano's mission right now is to beat this resistance, the red box. So after the clean breakout, we can start, I don't know, building our long position, because I believe that we're gonna like see some kind of impulsive movement to the upside. I mean, then drawdown, and we're gonna start like looking for demand zones or like that fair value gap. We'll see, but right now let's see, everything is bullish and waiting for a clean breakout. All right, Matic Polygon right now is also trying to break this descending trend line. That is like, oh, right now it looks super bullish. Well, at this moment we'll see, but also this is our key level, our previous support that became our resistance right now. So for us to be bulls again, like to see boom, some kind of boom fake out, it's like demand zone, some kind of scenario like this, boom, push the price towards the upside. So yeah, like simple as that on the bigger time frame. All right, guys, always look on the daily time frame. All the juices are in the daily time frame, not on those smaller time frame. I know it's boring, but it's worth it. You can expect and like trade those long swings, long, I don't know, buy position, whatever. You can, I mean, on a daily time frame, I'm always looking on the daily time frame. So those massive pumps on the daily time frame, that would be like insane, because it combines everything, and you can compare, and you can be like a spot trader. Like I can like analyze for the people who want to buy for a long term and to trade for a short term. So if I'm gonna start analyzing on the low time frame, that would be like super nonsense right now. So yeah, you get me. So right now, yeah, our mission is to beat this resistance, this key level. So I don't know, take a screenshot. Of course, I will post in my Telegram group. Go check it out. Absolutely free. Again, also the money flow. Look, trying to pump to the upside. Pump, blood, pump, blood. Right now, massive bloody face. Boom, pump. It is a possible scenario. So yeah, all those pivot points would be like your take profit targets, whatever. User, I don't know, risk management, whatever. I'm just doing you a favor and analyzing you for absolutely free. I'm monitoring this market 24/7, so you're welcome. All right, let's jump into the next one. All right, Torchain, RUNE. Right now, if you remember my previous video, we analyzed a little bit of those altcoins, RUNE, and I don't remember which one, but RUNE was one of those few altcoins. So right now, also descending trend line, that we have to beat this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. I want to see a clean breakout. The money flow is also rising, of course, together with the price, nothing special, but as well, I see a ascending trend line that acts as a resistance. Of course, we can break through this and to see another drawdown, but we'll see. But keep an eye on this descending trend line, because after the breakout, I will definitely gonna start building my long position. Of course, I couldn't see on the daily time frame. I would be like building my long position by looking on the, I don't know, on daily time frame, but I couldn't see a clean some kind of demand zone or whatever, some kind of support here, but it was not that accurate for me because we can see a like previous some kind of consolidation at this level, so I would be like stopped out. I would lose some money. So yeah, so after the breakout I will start like building and looking for how to build a long position, because after the breakout the whole structure, the whole market structure will be changed. Of course, the perfect scenario would be looking at the long-term perspective to break through this previous swing high. So the whole structure on the daily time frame would be changed, and yeah, the bullish scenario and preparing for the altcoin season. Yeah, the market structure, everything is respected. The respect is here. So yeah, waiting for a clean breakout to see what could happen. I mean, this buy long position without clean breakout is invalid, so don't even take a look at it right now. So yeah, keep an eye on this market structure. And I believe we have the last one. The last stop is HNT Helium. I mean, if I'm not mistaken, one of my friends are like buying those Wi-Fi things and like placing all over the place and trying to mine this coin, if I remember correctly, if this is the one. But still, I'm looking at the market structure right now because this one was a little bit forgotten. This coin was like, no one was talking about it, but or maybe I haven't seen that everyone would talk about it. So on the spot, of course, Bybit weekly time frame, beautiful descending trend line that was broken, push the price towards the upside. We're gonna do this very quick because this is our last one. And right now, all I can see that the money flow is like rising towards the upside, which is very interesting. If we're gonna see, I mean, where's my trend line? If we're gonna see a breakout through this on the weekly time frame, this is for those who are like, I don't know, mining this coin or like holding this coin since, I don't know, since forever, since 2018 or 20, whatever. So of course, another trend line that was broken, boom, push the price to the upside. Trend lines work, so I don't know, for those, stop saying that it don't. After this massive impulsive movement, so like still like a fair value gap on the weekly time frame, which is silly to talk about on the weekly time frame, but whatever. So maybe we can expect some kind of scenario like this. I don't know. So that's pretty much it. I have, of course, interesting market structure because based on the money flow, it reminds me a little bit of one of the gaming coins that I was posted in my Telegram group, in my trading channel. So the I don't remember which one, but it definitely reminds me something right now that yeah, can definitely push the price towards the upside after the breaking this previous swing high. That would be interesting to see. But yeah, the money flow is interesting because it's rising up. It likes the divergence because, well, when after the peak we haven't seen the big money flow impulsive movement, but right now when we almost there at our previous swing highs, the money flow is in the red, trying to break to, I don't know, into the positive again. So we'll see. So it's very interesting to see. I don't have this coin. I know some of my friends are have it. They were mining this coin with those, I don't know, Wi-Fi blocks or whatever. But I'm just interested in how this money flow divergence or whatever you're gonna call it, however you want to call it, how it will play out. So this is interesting in the money flow. I'm not interested into this type of project, so I don't know, maybe it's dead, maybe it's not, but we'll see. Because all I can see that the money flows, I mean the money pumps into the market every single day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just say that those are my top 20 coins projects. I'm looking at them right now, and my analysis starts and ends based on the market structure. So yeah, guys, comment down below, what do you think about these projects? Is there a chance for us to see a massive pump in the near future, in the upcoming days, weeks, or months, and we can expect some sweet gains, I don't know, from those projects? or everything that I analyze is, I don't know, doomed, like destroyed. They will never gonna recover again. So yeah, so comment down below. Next video will be a live video. Why? Because we have to analyze more coins, because 20 coins is not enough. I know I have a big audience. I have to, I don't know, I have to please the crowd. So yeah, that was my 20 altcoins that there's a potential to make with them, I don't know, 200, 300% at least. That's what I believe. I don't know, no promises, only probabilities based on the market structure. So yeah, always don't be greedy. Always join my trading channel. There's a link down below. Whatever I'm gonna do next, whatever I'm analyze here, of course this is a Bitcoin, don't mind of that, still the same. Still Bitcoin is doing the same as it did yesterday, but whatever I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna post in my trading channel. So every single move is gonna be posted in my trading channel. Act fast. Everything is gonna be deleted in 24 hours. So I'm showing up every single day, so I want the same from you. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Don't be greedy. Always use your stop loss, proper risk management, like always. Yeah, and peace out. I'm gonna see you in the next one.